wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best radon gas test kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Ideal for assessing the performance of an existing depressurization system, the AccuStar Charcoal provides reasonably quick answers via email, typically within 10 days after submitting it to the lab. Competitively priced, this device is foolproof and dependable. It's very easy to set up and offers a 2-day exposure time. However, it must be placed in a windowless area. At number 9, designed to get you quick results, the first Alert RD1 is a charcoal detection kit that traps atmospheric particles for a precise reading. However, be prepared to mail it in as soon as the exposure period ends, as the facility must receive the sample within 12 days. The price includes processing fees and analysis takes 2 to 4 days, but its short-term data isn't very thorough. Coming in at number 8 on our list. With the ability to analyze and immediately display radon levels, the Safety Siren Pro Series 3 provides up-to-date and accurate air sample analysis. It conducts a self-check every 24 hours and keeps track of both short and long-term trends. Its measurements are easy to read and it stores data for 5 years. However, it needs to be recalibrated yearly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Radon Gas Test Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Airthings Corentium Pro records the alpha particle emissions within its passive diffusion chamber and charts the prevalence of radon's exact signature. Its speed and consistency make it especially popular with home inspectors. It's calibrated by accredited machinery and certified for commercial use, but it's not designed for consumer use. Moving up our list to number 6. The Airthings Wave is a helpful addition to the modern house, delivering temperature, humidity, and radon concentration via an easy-to-use mobile app, which also charts that data over time to allow for in-depth air quality control. It runs for 18 months on 2 AA batteries and features IFTTT-capable alarm programming. However, it is pricier than laboratory-based kits. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Radex MR107 delivers professional-level results in a package that's small enough to fit in most toolboxes as well as most budgets. It's built around an automatically self-regulating alarm that takes into account atmospheric conditions when calculating measurements. It records a variety of data sets and uses Windows-based analysis software, but because of that it requires a PC for effective use. At number 4, the highly rated AccuStar AT100 is EPA verified for accuracy and utilizes an electrochemical etching process that is then precisely counted by computer imaging. The easy-to-use design is great for first-time homeowners or long-time residents. You simply leave it exposed to air and the test results are included in the price. It provides reliable long-term results. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Bringing air safety to the modern smart home, the RadonEye RD200 lets you monitor a below-ground gas entry point from anywhere in the building. Simply connect using your phone's Bluetooth and quickly ensure that you're radiation-free. It comes with an onboard digital display and an app that tracks readings over time. It delivers accurate readings in about 2 hours. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Radon Gas Test Kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, portable and boasting a long battery life, the Airthings Corentium Home is a simple digital monitor that provides fast results. The LCD clearly displays average daily, weekly, and long-term concentrations and is perfect for property inspections. It offers commercial-grade detection and eliminates external inaccuracies. It requires no annual calibration. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the RSSI Alpha track includes everything you need to chart this harmful gas over any period of time. While they recommend that you screen for a minimum of 90 days, you can go for as few as 8 if you're willing to overnight the unit to the lab. It comes in at a budget-friendly price, and the results are made available online. It delivers the most reliable analysis method. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Radon gas test kits, or simply click beneath this video.